Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Minecraft launcher not opening. First, close every Minecraft process running in the background. Right-click on the Windows icon and select the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Minecraft Launcher or any Minecraft-related process. Click on each one and select End Task. Next, search for Minecraft Launcher using the Windows search bar. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If it still does not work, open Settings on your computer. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Search for Minecraft Launcher in the list. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Windows will now try to fix the launcher files automatically. Once the process is complete, try opening Minecraft again. If the launcher still refuses to open, return to the same menu and click Reset. Keep in mind this will sign you out of your Microsoft or Mojang account, so make sure you remember your login details before doing this. If none of these methods solves the issue, reinstall the Minecraft launcher completely. A fresh installation replaces damaged files and downloads all required components again. Thanks for watching.